Hey guys, how are you? So I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A50. So guys, the Samsung is rumored to be working on a new device called the Samsung Galaxy A50 that could replace the Galaxy A8 2018. And it could bring a number of features and number of upgrades to the mid-range lineup by Samsung in 2019. For instance, the single rear camera found in present mid-range devices is rumored to be swapped up by multiple sensors on the back. But for now, the exact number is unclear. However, the latest news suggests that the main sensor will support a 24 megapixel resolution, which means that it will be comparable to the Galaxy A7 2018 and the Galaxy A9 2018. And now let's probe the specifications. And if we talk about the specifications, according to recent leaks, the Galaxy A50 will be powered by the Exynos 9610, which is expected to be paired with a respectable 4 gigs of RAM and choice of either 64 gigs of internal or 128 gigs of internal storage. Additionally, Android 9 Pie complete with One UI overlay is to be expected straight out of the box. And also a 4000 mAh battery. The Galaxy A50 will most likely be announced in the late Feb 2019 at MWC shortly after the unveiling of the Galaxy S10 series. Sales should commence shortly after in the first half of March. Okay guys, that is all for today. Please watch my other videos as I have talked about many new technologies and smartphones. And also, if you like my channel, you can consider subscribing and turn on the bell notifications to get notified about my future videos. Also, if you have any questions about any topic shown in this video or any of my other videos, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will show you how to answer them. But for now, let's call it a day.